Hello, I just wanted to make a quick video here. There's plenty of videos out there that go into depth on when you try to start your tractor, and basically mine sounded something like this. When I'd go to hit the key, it would just be a quick bump and then nothing else. It wouldn't start. I got onto a lot of chat rooms and found that it had something to do with the fuel solenoid not I guess I'd call it engaging, and then it was keeping the tractor from starting. And there was a long process of, tearing apart the whole dash assembly in here, and there's a bunch of diodes in here, and I actually just got done putting the dash back together. For the most part, I ain't got it all the way back together yet to troubleshoot that problem, and all the diodes checked out okay. I took the fuel solenoid off, which is back in there behind the right off the fuel pump back in here, and none of that was the problem. And yesterday I had a tail light that had went out, and I was messing with it when all these problems started, so I pretty much knew it was something electrical, but instead of really thinking about it and starting with the easiest thing, I jumped right into that, and it was none of that. And then today, after talking with a buddy, he asked me if I'd check the fuse, and dumb me never even thought about that. So I got online and found the schematic and found the fuses, and anyone that needs to do it, the fuses are right inside this little thing. I re-tape mine up, and you can just take the tape off. There's a little cap that pulls right off, and there's 4 or 5 fuses in there, and mine was the second one from this side. It's a 15 amp fuse. It was blown. Went to the local Tractor Supply, got a 15 amp fuse through in it, and now it starts right up. So I could have saved myself a lot of hassle if I'd have just started with the easiest thing instead of automatically. Honestly, I got worried and started looking online, and that was the first thing I came to. And if the fuse isn't blown, then there's a good chance it is one of those diodes. I've already taped them back up, but on this tractor, it's basically one of these things right here. They just clip in and out, and the M4, if you follow off what everybody talks about off the solenoid here, I think this is it right here. But it's not super hard. I'm not gonna make a video on that because there's actually some really good videos on changing those out and doing the solenoid. A couple other guys have put up. I just want to do a real quick, easy video on making sure you start with the easiest thing, which is that fuse. And hopefully this saves you from going all the trouble that I did. I probably had a half an hour to an hour taking that dash apart and putting it back together. It's pretty easy. Hardest part about it for me was, just getting the Carter key and getting the rod that comes up to your parking brake there. But all in all, it's pretty easy. So good luck. Hope this helps somebody out, and get your tractor back on the road. Thanks.